Quantum Computing and Artificial Intelligence, a Pathway to Curing All Cancers by 2030. Date, January 30, 2025. Overview: Recent advancements in the integration of quantum computing and artificial intelligence (AI) have sparked optimism among researchers and medical professionals about the potential for revolutionizing cancer treatment. A significant study conducted by the University of Toronto U of T in collaboration with Insilico Medicine has illustrated how these groundbreaking technologies can be utilized to target previously considered undruggable cancer proteins such as KRAS. Experts are suggesting that these innovations could lead to a universal cure for all cancers by the year 2030. Key findings from the research. 1. Innovative drug discovery techniques. The U of T and Insilico Medicine research team combined quantum computing, generative AI, and classical computing methods to design new molecules aimed at the KRAS protein, which is responsible for uncontrolled cell growth in approximately 25% of human cancers. Traditional drug discovery methods have largely failed to effectively target KRAS, with only 2 FDA-approved drugs available that provide minimal benefits to patients. 2. Research methodology and results. The findings published in Nature Biotechnology detailed a multi-step process wherein the researchers trained computational models using an extensive dataset of 1.1 million molecules. This dataset included 650 experimentally validated compounds and 250,000 additional molecules sourced from the open-source virtual screening platform VirtualFlow. The researchers employed Insilico Medicine's generative AI engine Chemistry 42 to identify 15 promising candidates for lab testing. Notably, 2 of these molecules demonstrated significant potential in targeting multiple mutations of the KRAS protein. 3. Implications for future drug discovery. The integration of quantum computing is expected to drastically reduce the preclinical phase of drug discovery, which has traditionally been both resource-intensive and time-consuming. The ability of AI to process vast datasets in cloud environments allows for a more efficient screening process, circumventing the logistical challenges associated with physical chemical libraries. 4. Expanding research horizons. Following their success with KRAS, the research team is exploring the application of their hybrid quantum classical approach to other undruggable proteins. This reflects a broader ambition to tackle the estimated 85% of human proteins that are currently considered undruggable, potentially leading to significant advancements in cancer treatment. Common themes across sources. Promise of quantum AI integration. The consensus among experts, including commentary from Dr. Singularity, underscores the transformative potential of combining AI with quantum computing in the realm of drug discovery, especially for challenging targets within cancer biology. Focus on undruggable proteins. The challenge posed by undruggable proteins in cancer treatment is highlighted, emphasizing the necessity for innovative solutions. Optimistic timeline for cures. Dr. Singularity's assertion that breakthroughs in cancer treatment could occur by 2030 reflects an optimistic outlook within the scientific community regarding the potential of these technologies. Differences between sources. Level of detail. The U of T source provides an in-depth analysis of the research methodology and findings, including specific data on the tested molecules. Conversely, Dr. Singularity's commentary offers a broader perspective on the implications of the research without delving into specifics. Focus on broader applications. While the U of T report emphasizes practical applications of the study concerning KRAS, Dr. Singularity provides a more visionary viewpoint about the potential of quantum computing and AI to revolutionize cancer treatment across all types. Conclusion. The collaborative research led by the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine signifies a remarkable advancement in the quest for effective cancer treatments. Harnessing the potential of quantum computing and AI. As this field continues to evolve, ongoing exploration of these integrative technologies could pave the way for groundbreaking therapies with the ambitious goal of achieving a universal cure for cancer by 2030. This partnership exemplifies the collaboration between academia and industry, fostering innovation in healthcare and offering hope for patients worldwide. As the scientific community closely monitors these developments, the potential for transformative change in cancer treatment is becoming increasingly plausible. Igniting hope for millions affected by this complex disease. The claim that quantum computing combined with artificial intelligence could lead to a cure for all cancers by 2030 presents several counterintuitive aspects that merit further exploration. Here are some of the key points that challenge conventional thinking regarding the convergence of these technologies and their implications for cancer treatment. 1. Cure for all cancers versus individualized treatments. The notion of a universal cure for all cancers by 2030 is inherently counterintuitive given the complexity and heterogeneity of cancer as a disease. Cancer is not a single entity but comprises over 100 different types, each with unique genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors contributing to its development and progression. The idea that a single approach or treatment could effectively address all these variations contradicts the current understanding of personalized medicine, which emphasizes tailored treatments based on individual patient profiles. 2. Undruggable proteins. The focus on targeting undruggable cancer proteins like KRAS is crucial and represents a significant breakthrough, yet it also highlights a paradox. While the advancements in quantum computing and AI suggest that we can now tackle these previously elusive targets, it raises questions about the practicality and feasibility of consistently applying these methods across the vast array of undruggable proteins, which constitute an estimated 85% of human proteins. The optimistic timelines projected imply a level of efficiency and success that may not be achievable given the scientific, regulatory, and clinical hurdles that typically accompany drug development. 3. The role of quantum computing. Quantum computing's promise in drug discovery is often overstated. While it offers advantages in processing complex calculations and modeling molecular interactions, the claim that it can dramatically outperform classical computing in drug design is still largely theoretical. The current study indicates that quantum computing can be integrated into existing paradigms but stops short of demonstrating a significant quantum advantage. This suggests that while quantum computing can enhance drug discovery processes, it may not be the panacea that the timelines imply. For generative AI in drug discovery, the utilization of generative AI to create new drug candidates is an exciting development, yet it raises concerns about the reliability and safety of these AI-generated molecules. The assumption that AI can effectively predict the success of drug candidates based solely on computational modeling could lead to overconfidence in their efficacy without sufficient empirical validation. This presents a significant risk, as relying heavily on AI could divert attention from traditional, rigorous testing methods necessary for ensuring drug safety and effectiveness. 5. Integration of technologies. The integration of quantum computing and AI is presented as a revolutionary step forward, yet it also raises questions about the complexity and potential for errors in the drug discovery pipeline. Combining multiple advanced technologies may introduce new variables and challenges that could complicate the drug development process. The assumption that adding more sophisticated tools will streamline and accelerate discovery might overlook potential setbacks inherent in coordinating and managing these advanced systems. 6. Optimism versus reality in scientific progress. The timeline suggesting a cure for all cancers by 2030 reflects a broader trend in scientific communication that often emphasizes optimism over realism. While it is essential to foster hope and encourage investment in research, setting overly ambitious timelines can lead to disillusionment and undermine the credibility of scientific advancements. This tension between hope for rapid breakthroughs and the slower, more methodical pace of scientific discovery is a critical aspect of the current discourse around quantum computing and AI in medicine. 7. The role of collaboration. The collaboration between academic institutions and industry partners, exemplified by the partnership between the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine, is often viewed positively. However, it raises concerns about the commercialization of research and the potential prioritization of profit over patient outcomes. The intersection of academia and industry in drug discovery can lead to conflicts of interest where the pressure to deliver results for funding and profit margins may compromise the thoroughness of research and the ethical considerations in patient care. In conclusion, while the integration of quantum computing and AI into cancer research presents exciting possibilities, the assertion that these developments will lead to a universal cure for all cancers by 2030 is fraught with complexities and counterintuitive implications. The multifaceted nature of cancer. The challenges of drug discovery and the unpredictable trajectory of scientific innovation all contribute to a more nuanced understanding of the potential outcomes of these technological advancements. The report on the integration of quantum computing and artificial intelligence (AI) to potentially cure all cancers by 2030 presents several important findings that may be overlooked by a general audience. Below I highlight key aspects of the research, their significance, and why they matter in the context of cancer treatment and drug discovery. 1. Targeting undruggable proteins. Significance. The term undruggable refers to proteins that have been notoriously difficult to target with traditional drug discovery methods. KRAS is one such protein implicated in about 25% of human cancers. The significance of this finding lies in the fact that traditional pharmaceutical approaches have yielded only 2 FDA-approved drugs targeting KRAS, and these have minimal efficacy. The ability to develop effective drugs against such challenging targets could drastically change the landscape of cancer treatment. Why it matters. The identification and targeting of previously considered undruggable proteins could unlock new avenues for treatment in a field where options have been limited. This is crucial not only for patients with KRAS-driven cancers but for the broader spectrum of cancer types influenced by similar challenging proteins. 2. Hybrid approach of quantum computing and AI. Significance. The study showcases a hybrid model that combines quantum computing with generative AI and classical computing methods. This innovative approach allows for the design of new molecules in a way that traditional methods cannot achieve. The researchers trained computational models on a dataset of 1.1 million molecules, leading to the identification of promising candidates for further testing. Why it matters. Many in the public might not grasp the enormity of using quantum computing in drug discovery. Quantum computing enables the processing of complex biological data at unprecedented speeds, making it possible to explore vast chemical spaces. This accelerated approach could lead to breakthroughs in drug discovery timelines, ultimately resulting in quicker access to potentially life-saving therapies. 3. Potential to shorten preclinical phases of drug discovery. Significance. The study indicates that the integration of quantum computing could significantly shorten the preclinical phase of drug discovery, which traditionally requires immense resources and time. By utilizing cloud-based AI for screening, the logistical burdens associated with physical chemical libraries are alleviated. Why it matters. For many, the lengthy duration of drug development is a barrier to timely treatment. By making the process more efficient, the hybrid approach may allow for faster therapeutic interventions, which is critical in oncology where time is often a determinant of patient outcomes. 4. Scope for broader applications beyond KRAS. Significance. Following the initial success with KRAS, the researchers intend to apply their hybrid model to other undruggable proteins. This indicates a significant potential to address a broader range of cancers and other diseases. Why it matters. The ability to develop drugs targeting a wide array of undruggable proteins could revolutionize treatment for many diseases beyond cancer. This research may lay the groundwork for tackling various conditions that have historically been neglected due to the complexities involved in drug development. 5. A collaboration between academia and industry. Significance. The collaboration between the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine exemplifies the synergy between academic research and industry expertise. This partnership enhances the prospects of translating innovative discoveries into practical applications. Why it matters. Many breakthroughs in medicine come from such collaborations. which are essential for bridging the gap between theoretical research and clinical application. Highlighting this collaboration underscores the importance of interdisciplinary efforts in advancing healthcare innovation. 6. Optimism for future cures. Significance. The assertion from experts that a cure for all cancers could be achievable by 2030 reflects a hopeful outlook within the scientific community. This vision of the future is bolstered by advancements in technology and methodology. Why it matters. Public perception of cancer treatment is often overshadowed by the grim statistics associated with the disease. By communicating optimism and the potential for comprehensive solutions, researchers may inspire hope and foster support for ongoing research efforts. This can lead to increased funding and public interest in supporting innovative approaches to cancer treatment. 7. The role of AI in processing large datasets. Significance. The use of AI to process vast datasets is a key component of the research. AI's ability to analyze and identify patterns within complex biological data is highlighted as a critical factor in the success of the study. Why it matters. Many may not realize the transformative power of AI in healthcare. Its application extends beyond drug discovery, impacting diagnostics, treatment planning, and personalized medicine. The integration of AI in scientific research is critical for advancing medical knowledge and improving patient outcomes. Conclusion. The report details a groundbreaking study that integrates quantum computing and AI in the quest for cancer cures, particularly targeting undruggable proteins like KRAS. The significance of this research extends beyond immediate drug discovery. It touches on broader themes of innovation, collaboration, and the future of cancer treatment. By recognizing these often overlooked aspects, stakeholders can better appreciate the potential impact of this research on global health and the urgency of supporting such transformative endeavors. 1. Innovative drug discovery methodology. The integration of quantum computing with artificial intelligence and classical computing methods marks a significant advancement in drug discovery, particularly for targeting the KRAS protein, which drives uncontrolled cell growth in a substantial percentage of cancers. This hybrid approach, utilizing a dataset of 1.1 million molecules, demonstrates how computational models can identify promising drug candidates, showcasing the potential to revolutionize cancer treatment by addressing previously deemed undruggable proteins. 2. Speeding up preclinical drug development. The research suggests that the incorporation of quantum computing can drastically reduce the time and resources required in the preclinical phase of drug discovery. Traditional methods are often lengthy and resource-intensive, but utilizing AI's ability to process vast datasets in the cloud facilitates efficient screening and discovery. This efficiency could lead to quicker advancements in treatment options, ultimately benefiting patients. 3. Impact on undruggable proteins. The study highlights the challenge posed by undruggable proteins in cancer treatment, with around 85% of human proteins being classified as such. The success of this hybrid quantum classical approach in targeting KRAS signals a broader potential to explore and develop therapies for other challenging proteins. This could open new avenues in cancer research and treatment, addressing a critical gap in current therapeutic options. 4. Collaborative research and future directions. The collaboration between the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine exemplifies how academic and industry partnerships can accelerate healthcare innovations. As researchers continue to apply this hybrid model to other undruggable targets, the implications are vast. The optimism surrounding the potential to find a universal cancer cure by 2030 reflects a significant shift in the scientific community's perspective on the role of advanced technologies in medicine. 1. The Manhattan Project 1942–1946. The Manhattan Project was a research and development project during World War II that produced the first nuclear weapons. Led by the United States with support from the United Kingdom and Canada, the project involved some of the greatest scientific minds of the era, including J. Robert Oppenheimer and Enrico Fermi. The project's success was attributed to the integration of various scientific disciplines, including physics, chemistry, and engineering, much like the current integration of quantum computing and AI in cancer research. The project culminated in the development and deployment of atomic bombs in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, demonstrating how collaborative scientific effort can lead to groundbreaking advancements, albeit with significant ethical implications. 2. The Human Genome Project 1990 to 2003. This landmark scientific endeavor aimed to map all the genes of the human species known as the human genome. Coordinated by the National Institutes of Health (NIH) and the Department of Energy, the project involved thousands of scientists across the globe and utilized advanced computational technologies to sequence the DNA of humans. The Human Genome Project has had a profound impact on biomedical research, including cancer treatment. By providing a comprehensive understanding of genetic diseases and the molecular basis of cancers. The way in which this project harnessed collaborative efforts and cutting-edge technology parallels the current exploration of AI and quantum computing in the search for cancer treatments. 3. Polio vaccine development 1950s. The development of the polio vaccine is a remarkable case of scientific innovation and collaboration. In the early 1950s, Dr. Jonas Salk developed the first effective polio vaccine, which was later followed by Albert Sabin's oral polio vaccine. The success of these vaccines was due to extensive research trials and a collaborative approach among scientists, public health officials, and government agencies. The rapid development and deployment of the polio vaccine not only eradicated polio in many parts of the world but also set a precedent for how coordinated scientific efforts can lead to significant public health breakthroughs. This historical example emphasizes the potential for current technologies like AI and quantum computing to similarly revolutionize medical treatments. The integration of quantum computing and artificial intelligence (AI) is poised to revolutionize the field of cancer treatment, with some experts predicting that a universal cure for all cancers could be achievable by 2030. Recent collaborative research between the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine underscores this potential, particularly in targeting cancer proteins previously labeled as undruggable. Key predictions for the future of cancer treatment. 1. Quantum AI synergy by 2030. The collaboration of quantum computing and AI is expected to lead to significant breakthroughs in drug discovery. The unique computational capabilities of quantum computers will enhance AI's ability to analyze vast datasets, streamline the identification of potential drug candidates, and accelerate the development process. 2. Targeting undruggable proteins. As demonstrated by the recent study on the KRAS protein, the integration of quantum computing and AI is likely to expand the arsenal against previously undruggable cancer targets. With an estimated 85% of human proteins considered undruggable, the ability to develop effective therapies for these targets could transform cancer treatment paradigms. 3. Reduced timeframes for drug discovery. Traditional drug discovery processes can be lengthy and resource-intensive. The hybrid approach utilizing quantum computing and AI is expected to significantly shorten the preclinical phase, potentially reducing the time from molecule design to clinical trials by several years. This efficiency could lead to faster patient access to innovative therapies. For personalized medicine, the future of cancer treatment will increasingly lean towards personalized medicine, where therapies are tailored to the genetic profiles of individual tumors. Quantum computing's ability to process complex biological data will facilitate this customization, enabling oncologists to devise specific treatment plans based on a patient's unique cancer characteristics. 5. Broader applications beyond cancer. While the initial focus is on cancer treatment, the methodologies developed through this integration of quantum computing and AI could also be applied to other diseases and conditions. This could lead to breakthroughs in treating various genetic disorders, autoimmune diseases, and infectious diseases, broadening the impact of these technologies across medical fields. 6. Collaborative research models. The success of the U of T and Insilico medicine collaboration exemplifies the potential of interdisciplinary research. Future advancements in cancer treatment will likely depend on continued partnerships between academic institutions, biotechnology companies, and healthcare providers, fostering innovation and accelerating progress. 7. Regulatory and ethical frameworks. As these technologies advance, there will be an increasing need for regulatory bodies to establish guidelines for the use of AI and quantum computing in drug development. Ethical considerations surrounding data usage, patient consent, and equitable access to new treatments will also become paramount in shaping the landscape of future cancer therapies. 8. Investment in infrastructure development. Significant investment in both quantum computing technology and AI-driven healthcare solutions will be crucial. As these fields grow, the establishment of dedicated research facilities and enhanced computational resources will support ongoing innovation and experimentation. 9. Educational and workforce development. The convergence of quantum computing and AI will necessitate a new kind of workforce equipped with interdisciplinary skills. Educational institutions will need to adapt curricula to prepare the next generation of scientists and healthcare professionals for careers at the intersection of these rapidly evolving fields. Conclusion. The integration of quantum computing and AI heralds a new era in cancer treatment, with the potential for groundbreaking therapies and a possible universal cure by 2030. Continued research, investment, and collaboration will be essential in realizing this vision. As the scientific community explores the possibilities presented by these technologies, the future of oncology looks increasingly promising, offering hope not only for cancer patients but for the broader field of medicine.